My journey to the light did not begin in the light. It began in the shadows, in nights that felt endless. But even in the darkness, I was never alone. Someone, something, Ramasedi hidden, was carrying me forward. Our elders said, Montsamaisa bosigo ke mo leboga sele. The one who supports you in the night is the one you thank in the morning. In other words, when you survive the night, you remember who carried you. We all have nights. Nights of depression, nights of loss, nights of confusion, nights when our truth feels swallowed. But the morning always comes. And when it comes, you remember. It was not your strength alone. It was Ramasedi. It was those who stood with you in the dark. The night is not just the sky. The night is the mind, the struggle, the season of uncertainty. And the ones who walk with you then, even if it's just one human or just the sun hidden behind the clouds, they are the ones you should thank in the light. I remember my own nights where I thought the darkness would never end. But Ramasedi rises without fail. And when the morning came, I could see clearly who stood with me, who carried me, and I gave thanks. Your journey to the light is not about you. It is about the unseen hands that carried you. It is about gratitude. Walking in the light is not arrogance. It is humility. Remembering those who walked with you in the shadows. If you are in the night right now, do not lose hope. The morning will come. And when it does, give thanks to those who carried you. This is my journey to the light. May it also be yours.